Prepping the cabbage, cut off the bottom. Take off the outside leaves. This, what we're doing is getting ready to blanch the cabbage. Right now I have a big pot of water on the stove heating up. So I'm just taking off any bits that look like they're not quite right. Cut out the core. Put the knife on an angle. Oh, I hate doing this. This is so scary. Such a, I don't know, I feel like I'm forcing it and I could easily slip with my knife. Oh, it looks like I got it. Ta-da! Core out of the center of the cabbage. Place the cabbage in the pot of boiling water and we're going to just let it sit, not for long. It doesn't take long for those cabbage to soften up. I'll check back in a few minutes. So boil the cabbage until you can see a leaf getting loose. Remove the leaf and put it into a bowl to cool. See if we can get one here. See, this one is cooling or loose. They're overlapped, so it's a bit tricky to figure out which one is ready to come out, and it's hard to do because I'm trying to film with one hand and work this cabbage with another. If you've never tried to do this before, it's a little tricky because the head of the cabbage, it is layered, and sometimes the leaves are overlapped over another one, so you think you've got one free and then it's, see, this one isn't free. There's this, there we go. So you can tell by the color that this one hasn't been heated. This part of it has, but this hasn't. So I'll put it back in the boiling water and continue to take leaves off. Let's see if that one will come off. Yeah, it's not flexible enough. Tearing that one, which means there's one over it. Ta-da! Oh, that one's coming off. Anyways, I'm going to put this back into the pot and see if I can get some more of these to come loose. So if I can get them loose where the water can get in there, then it'll come off that much easier. So while my potatoes are counting down, I've been working on the cabbage for the fried cabbage rolls.